Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to reset your Epson printer. If your printer isn't working properly or facing connection problems, a quick reset can often fix those glitches and give your printer a fresh start. I'll walk you through the reset process step by step, whether your Epson printer has an LCD panel or not. So stay tuned till the end. Method 1. Printer reset via an LCD panel. Keep the printer on, go to its control panel and select the settings option. Next, pull down to choose the Restore Default Settings option. Now, you will see different options for setup. You need to tap on Clear All Data and Settings. Whether the confirmation prompt appears, just tap on Yes and get ahead with the reset. Once the reset is complete, all your printer settings will be restored to default, and you'll need to restart the printer. If your printer does not have an LCD panel, then continue with the next method. Method 2. Printer reset without an LCD panel. First, make sure your Epson printer is powered on. Then, go to your printer's control panel and press and hold the power and information buttons together until the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct status lights start blinking. Wait around 1 to 2 minutes until the printer stops making any sound and the Wi-Fi lights stop blinking. Once the Wi-Fi lights stop blinking, your Epson printer will be ready to connect to a new network. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.